Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tigela. Welcome to my online platforms. Zonke nje, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Alice nje. Welcome, you are welcome. Guys, I just want to find out quickly. Hey, Imani guys. Siyazibukela mosindaba singabanye okanye ke we do read about things on online or whatever on Google or whatever, wherever you get them from. Didn't at some point Minister Mchunu says akaimazi usibani bani? Didn't at some point Minister say hayi mina kwasha kwacuba kwathini? Kwakukuningi nje wayekuphikile akakwazi, and then at a later stage kwavela ukuthi hayibo uyafindwa kwi-cartel ntontons. Imani lo bhuti lo uzothini kwi-commissioner? Uzothini ku-commissioner malunga negama lakhe elintaza everywhere eligcwele umgwaqo? Hey, igama lakhe eligcwele umgwaqo, igama lakhe lithi ndila ku-TikTok, ndiku-Facebook, ndiku-Twitter, everywhere nina. Uzothini lo bhuti? Uzothini? Because there's that recording yakho parliament eqamba manga. Ubhuti Mchunu ichunu lizoyenza kanjani ngale ndaba? Someone tell me ichunu lizayithini indaba yokuqamba manga eparliament about a lot of things. About a lot of things, because a lot of things are coming out. Ichunu lizoyenza kanjani lento? Someone please buza ichunu ba iplan yakhe ithini regarding ezi zinto. Makathathele ngicela ichunu nilithathele bathi yini i-passport, because nami ngingabaleka. Thatheni i-passport anga uyabona sisaxawa kubuyisa laba ya be something ka KK pha next door kwangwane. Why khona ungwane esilinga? Why ungwane esilinga engabuyisi laba abafana bakwantontoni? Angithethe into yalo mina lo banjwa ninjoy kahle. Aba bafana bazayicothisa la case ka AK. Iqala nini khona yona? Nkosi yami angithethi into yalo banjwa. But guys, asinaso isizathu sokungamkholwa uGeneral Butheli. Ubutheli sotheni lo uGeneral Mkhwanazi? It's because ungunhlanhla and I have a friend, a brother engobunhlanhla umuntu uthelezi. Ngakho I keep making, oh my God. Anyway, coming back to this. Asinaso isizathu sokungamkholwa izinto azishoyo ne. But sinaso isizathu sokuba simlalele simzusise futhi kayikhuluma. Silinde ke also ukuthi but i-confidence yakhe inginikeza no, it's not arrogance, une-confidence ubhuti. So lanto inginikeza ithemba lokuthi akuna cracking ezoyenzeka la. Akuzokuthi mase kufika abameli abo-advocate Ntontoni bebuza imibuzo, mhlambi u-advocate kaSibiya, u-advocate kaMchunu mabefika lapho bezo-representa. Akuzuba cause cracking, because this man, I believe he's intelligent enough. He can't. He's not a politician, man. He can't lie. He can't lie to us like that. He can't. No, he won't. He won't do that, would he? No, he won't do that. I swear, he wouldn't do that to us as South Africans. He's an honorable man. Into the qotho general, but asikho lapho. Into endithetha ngayo nansi. Yimani guys. Ichunu lizayithini lento yokuqamba manga eParliament? I think in two occasions. In two occasions ichunu liqambe amanga eParliament. Mara kuyavela lapho ukuthi na uma ka wena uma ka wena. I'm searching. Mchunu lied at Parliament. Association. Abakhipha indaba laba banga. Mchunu lied iphile. Yeah, nansi lento. Nansi into quickly. Ithi lento, yes. DA goes to the police over Senzo Mchunu's links with Comrade Brown Mokgotsi. This is the person awatagamazi name. DA went and laid criminal charges against Police Minister Mchunu for allegedly lying to Parliament. The DA contends that Mchunu committed fraud by knowingly making a false statement with the intent to mislead Parliament. Over the weekend, explosive allegations were leveled against Mchunu by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Okay. Now, let's get to why DA was opening a case. The DA has laid criminal charges against yet another government minister, the second one in just 1 month. In both cases, the ministers have been accused of lying to Parliament. On Thursday, DA Deputy Chief Whip Baxolile Nodada laid charges against Police Minister Senzo Mchunu over the explosive allegations leveled against him by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. The DA's actions follows Mchunu's contradictory statements about his relationship with controversial businessman Brown Mokgotsi. Mokgotsi is allegedly linked to serious criminal syndicates and political interference in the police service. In March this year, while addressing the Police Portfolio Committee, Mchunu denied knowing Mokgotsi. However, in a public statement on 9 July, he admitted that he does in fact know Mokgotsi, describing him as a comrade. This reversal directly contradicts his earlier denial and raises grave concern about whether he deliberately misled Parliament, a criminal act in terms of the powers, privileges, and immunities of Parliament and provincial legislature. Act, Nodada said. So the DA also, the DA contends that Minister Mchunu has committed fraud by knowingly making a false statement with the intent to mislead Parliament, violated the Powers and Privileges Act, which criminalizes any attempt to mislead or obstruct Parliament or its committee, and breached the Parliamentary Code of Conduct, which demands honesty, integrity, and transparency from all members of Parliament. Nodada said it was simply unacceptable for a minister to evade accountability while surrounded by allegations of corruption, links to criminal syndicates, and efforts to shield politically connected individuals from scrutiny. President Cyril Ramaphosa's silence in the face of this growing scandal is indefensible. 4 days after the exclusive revelations by KwaZulu-Natal's Provincial Police Commissioner, the president has neither acted against Mchunu nor initiated any credible investigation, he said. Ramaphosa has since announced that he will address the nation on Sunday, blah, blah, blah. Yes. Mkhwanazi openly declared that Mchunu was under criminal investigation, alleging that the police top brass had been infiltrated by underworld actors, among them Vusumuzi Ket Matlala, who News24 previously reported scored a 360 million health services tender from South African Police Service. Despite being investigated for procurement fraud at Tembisa Hospital, the tender was later withdrawn. Mchunu denied having met Matlala or ever speaking to him. He has also denied allegations that he ever requested or received anything from Matlala. Regarding Mokgotsi, Mchunu's spokesperson Kamogelo Mokgotsi previously said, while the minister knows and has met Mr. Brown Mokgotsi, he is just a comrade and not an associate of the minister. Mkhwanazi also accused Mchunu of interfering in an investigation and in dismantling of the police political killings task team. He also alleged that the police deputy national commissioner Shadrack Sibiya of Strategic Justice stalled investigations into political assassinations and organized crime and shielded politically connected suspects by taking control of more than 100 related dockets. Yo! So Mchunu uzayenzani yeke kaSibiya. Mchunu uzayenza njani le, because this is going to come out. This is surely going to come out. So how is he going to deal with this? What are your thoughts when it comes to all of this, guys? Let's talk in the comment section, whether on Facebook, on TikTok, or on YouTube. Please come through. Let's talk. Thank you so much. I enjoyed doing this for you. Bye-bye.